man anon go from betri ya go so te
Sam as me back my did
no man was dey na do be pie ha
nana did come what na see
DL News.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba afika sebono enchiremu ankasa eni. Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama wabo eye openipa ne den ede eye Haruna Idrisu so no ene nkwankwohwe oman Ghana nhumesua so no mo wanema entumi konkan titiri efa adusua ho na Ghana mampeni bota nyina se obese obo na oman Ghana adusua de enema etumi enkonkan ne yipam na nim se oman Ghana mamra no ema ho kwan se saban foforo betena so na wo pa obi se ne onkonkodi dwuma bia se osoafo a emnama ho kwan se yente bedwoku a onoma moden etuma twetwe nipa na no ahwe hu ne se enipa yi gibra ede sha wonsa na obetumi abadwuma asom Ghana kwampa so an senti endrada appointment committee o masebedwam etumi kwotena ase ebobo eye openipa no ye masebedwani ede ma de hia wonom ewo temalo eye temale south ne den ede Haruna Idrisu etoto da no bisa ne se openie na openie anasa Ghana mampeni abo den adusua no so wopa dodo na kan so andi se amanyo ko beta ba nwa so pa mo ba pe eye freses no mbetwam e na ye twum kabia ne senti sansensemi wo se ho sen kram na no ene Haruna Idrisu ka senda de o mase bedwam ene wo kirem so enya no krada Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama wakad ne se makoma adesam yenu adese ne so se oba betumi aboma adusua ho sensem no so atumi akonkanti enya de freses no o betwam ne atwam kina oba no homade yakonkodemum insachira na o betumi ayaboa ma freses no eniama etimi akonkan yipam wakasa kirem se abamba kwaso atata na koban mu abo om ka biewo mekire stakeholders ni nyina bomade do madwen kire etimi dia pa no ma kwampa do betumi afa so e ma ye free searches no ni matumi akonkan e dia ma mani senti so obi kan se Ghana mampani betwam a nya de betwam ne ana se o betwam kire na wakasa ndrada e wa appointment committee ni mo mese betwam so do so ye no e mu kire mu no enie.
There is this talk that even in mighty America, free education does not include boarding. In advanced democracies where emphasis is on free education, boarding is not part. And that Ghana, we have punched above our weight by introducing free boarding. In your honest view, do you think that we must continue to have free boarding? Even expand it. Kandiga is not America. Ulugu is not America. I'm sure one of the communities in the Lumba area is not America. They have access. The transport systems are network and effective. It is not safe for Ghana. For many children, I'm sure members of parliament even have to buy bicycles to support them to be able to commute to school daily. It means that for some to access this good quality education, they need to do more. So increase boarding facilities for deprived rural areas is important. Review, as announced by President Mahama, is not cancellation. Thank you.
Eno achi ena oswafo ya bone din so nko he o Ghana humesua so eye Haruna Idrisu kasa mu no wasan kire mu sem o Ghana yatim sese ne Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama ebe hyebo ekirem se yato aba ne wi a no de mu konim pe oba adusuafo mbo moden ebe ko kire suapon ne ye wo mu nyina da meche tertiary education no o mo mbedi kan akwa afie di kan bo ho moden atumi afa ho kan nyina na maboma adusuafo no nso o matimi aboa ma adusua atumi akonkan ye pa ena appointment committee no ebisa ne se gina ya musi ye e wo mpotrabo no mu no mbekọ so de ya adwuma na ena no so eye osofo ko he o Ghana adusua ensensem so Haruna Idrisu kirem se Ghana ye betimi ahia sika ya 345 million Ghana cedis ansana sa free tertiary education no ne matumi akonkan ente sa de a etimi adwumanti abane guso obo no ho modern se sa bohye no so ebetimi aya adwuma ne so mu kirem no enie.
His party in opposition promised free university tuition for year one. And in all fairness to your government, you were very specific that you pay for year one. First semester of the academic calendar for the universities have since commenced. May I know from you whether your government intends to implement this policy in your first budget to take care of semester 1?
On the authority of President Mahama, I'm sure his Minister of Finance, if this House approved, Honorable Agyei will present the reset budget of the government. It will include some provision of some 345 million cedis to cater for admission fees for students undertaking courses in the normal subject areas, not professional areas like medicine. And for President Mahama, this is a model to experiment. You will look at it. How do we fare as a country? If it is possible for expansion, then he will expand it. And he's not asked that if you are able, you should not.
Aye, and which them say, Mamma Kwakwo medicine pass a modie, more corn nursing near the Moncaho, there be Modia Moncaho cra. And what he an appointment committee no, as I besan said, Educia for the Biadicanco school, Omoga Cotia Musicano, and also no, Masha Hubay. Sikano mobaje dia mankwalano anaso mo matuan dia hye guno no so de nsem sei etu ja kire mu so mo madi kan kotuan de abane baje ni nyinada aso do musika e de ma wonom.
It will include some provision of some 345 million cedis to cater for admission fees for students undertaking courses in the non-medical admission fees. It's to get funded to the honorable.
Honorable Chair, we are engaged in a public discuss. If the nominee will be pleased, may he bring clarity to this matter. In your manifesto launch, which took place in Ifutu, Winneba, Ifutu. Honorable Chair,
as a country, if it is possible for expansion, then he will expand it. And he is not asked that if you are able, you should not. We know that some students have already paid their admission fees. It will be funded to them.
Aha. Haruna Idris no chirem se mo a mo kwosua pon foforo no na matua musika no aban be san agene nyinada e de ahembotom ti munhya asere mo siri hehe ifise musika no aban ahembo se de tebia no begene nyina asan e de amamum na no achi ene ma sebedwani a ogina mu de ma de hya won mo afutu no kura kopie ma sebedwuma no na edom keto ma sebedwuma mbandu ni eye Alexander Funyomaken e hya ase ene Haruna Idrisu edin komo ewa kankase no bi se misenzo pani na te sen nyenkwati ndada asresama esi masebedwam so.
Honorable Haruna Idrisu eti sen enkran fa na wote
meti cantonese baby.
Chairman, Mr. Chairman, that's not allowed by Honorable Haruna Idrisu eti sen enkran fa na wote
meti cantonese baby.
Chairman, Mr. Chairman, that's not allowed by our rules. Mr. Chairman, because Mr. Chairman, I tried the tree with you because on your CV. On your CV, we are not done. Chairman, these your friends.
Please go ahead and address the chair.
Chairman, thank you. Honorable Haruna Idrisu, Pacho, why a MP in Fiesane?
About is 20 years in there.
Very well. So those are you've passed. Because Honorable nominee, you say on your CV that you speak English.
106.9.
That's true.
I am thus far impressed with your tree. I'm sure that there is a southern inspiration.
That's Parliament House. Parliament House.
My wife, Mary, Adwoa.
Oh, very well.
Sometimes when I'm coming out, I don't know about church, I say, Chino, Messia, Namimbo, Wadin, Naminkani.
106.9.
I near Safua, and what you say. Onsia tree nipa na onkan na me di ya power nipa. Now oka say ne it's not allowed. Mentiase, ma jebe dwom yenkatwi. Ade kro no yenkatwi wo ma na sikapa.
No woni say obedi ne ho fel. E be o ma ne ka sa no. E ka
krakra ma jebe dwafo no nkatwi wo ho. Because Ghana for no dodo na akatwi. Enti zamoka say yenkatwi ma jebe dwom me ne mo nya adwen. Enti aya mo nkatwi ni bi. Dabi obi wo ho nso a parliamentary proceedings ne koso obi ho no ma wonte kra. Enti twi ni so ya mo mfa mfrafra enti mani age ho pa emu odede sa no ma anam no. Sikapa yenkoya nim.
Yanto akasiebo ne so na enda bna eya be pobo so me ne de toso aduonu baako eya mfimpi mienu ne aduonu num na ya enkrata beto odwa se omampani John Dramani Mahama eyi mpanifo omo beboa no amana hye eya na aban mu kina amadwumadi ompese omundi no bibia atimi akoso ye na mpanifo num a oyi wo mu ebi ye Ora Yere Joyce Bawa a ono ye presidential advisor and special aid edimo omampani ana stand dobe ono ye deputy chief of staff edima eye operations ana nana oye Bampoy Ado ono ye deputy chief of staff edima administrations Seti Manuel Tagba ono ye presidential advisor ewo ye sikasem so ana ye Professor Francis Dodu ye presidential advisor edima national anti-corruption program Larry Latte ye special envoy edima eye alliance of Sahelian states Nana ya Jentua aye presidential staffer Beatrice Anan Fio also a presidential staffer Anna Shamima Muslim also a deputy presidential spokesperson Professor Kweku Danso Boafo aye cabinet secretary na we no man Penny John Dramani Mahama di tuja say eye penifo du ya we yi wo ni di o gidi o mu ye pa esan so metimi aye adwuma ni ye e de amano sane be ye oman ni puntuo ebetimi akonanim e wo oman yi mu na nsami eye Felix Kwachi ofoso no na ye kasamafo e de ma omanpani e na de sankratai ebetu dwa na aba eye Facebook ne so eye DLFM 106.9 eye ade de nkratai no ato ho no ma obetimi aba no abekenkan bi yento akasebo ne so
ye kwaya ni mu ane ye nyina mu e wodom kuma wonom wo mahye bedwam wonom akasa etirem sem wonom e de kokobo kese pa e de amaga mampani John Dramani Mahama e na afenso ahobambo ko ni nyina titiriw eni samanyuko ni sem wanum enyina mona so emadwumaden empa tese ne ne mahodo ayekoso ewa blekuma not eya bato mpeso so enne akwade se betwetwene so owianam no yato abawie nanso paase ebenye mase bedwani ewa blekuma not abato mpeso aso no akwaye bwatwe bidin a enya semkuma kram na domko mase bedwam akasa do sombo e de bo endi samanyuko na echirim se basa yahodo a ekoso ewa blekuma not ni nyina da no yamfa mo eni samanyuko no efisem na yato abawie no ekema akwaye se wono wo maden atimi ahyo magitaifo no kutupa ene monkoye wei ene yodom sa aba no se ye ninkunum a mamonte ase ene de besi biansi etuo kwa na beto Ghana etuo nto ena wona wukyerem se ye no ne se na amben se beto abawie na MPP amanyuko no made omodi nkugu amagye de atum na ba ne se na ndi se amanyuko no de omodi nkugu amonyimfa ntum empanifo agaze kyerem se de akoso ese Ghana mampani amfa nansi fom entimi ampa mpomasi bra efri na komase badwam asetena kwaso a empema nyoko ni ma onya masebedwa fonde enya de ombetena ase ne nkomatwetwe bekoso masebedwa mu no omde omho ede ahye mu kram no panipa ono no okopie mu masebedwa mu ono eye deputy minority eye hwep no ono kran se no masebedwa ni ede ma ade hye a wono mo waja bawe ni din ade Mr. Ejali eye Ahmed eye Shiad ene wakati no kirem sem de akoso won edin passe betena maganam ni ebetena ase ne mpanifo ntumi fo nan emfancy fo mene yato abawie na brekuma not abato mpesu aso leta komisi kokenkan pe na mafo bowra honom aba sese wo me tirim se de akoso no sabi etan edika na mampani emfa na nfeso se de akoso no emu yakram wasaka saka se esi amkese no ode somo pa de ambo endi se mayoko no mpanifo bi ti se eya Mr. Tobi Kwache ana afenso Malik eya basintali efi se wakasa kirem se wonu amhye meburu no eye kutupa emenne wo mo sese niama ewa blekuma nota ne abato ayeto ye ne yentimi nyama se bedwa emobi enkonkoshe emra emfa madehye a wonom ewo eye blekuma nota no je mra kasaye endo de mombaden FSM chofo nhia mu ewo parliament ense so do som ye no mu ntiremu no enie
Caucus hereby expresses its deep concern about the state of lawlessness in this country in the aftermath of the declaration of President John Dramani Mahama as president of our beloved country. The organized NDC tax, who are inspired by very senior members of the NDC in the presence of Mr. Tobi Kwache, Lieutenant Colonel Retired Devlo Lati, and one Malik Basintali, are often seen invading institutions, locking up offices, and obstructing the Electoral Commission from discharging its constitutional duties, including collating and declaring election results. The latest is the violence unleashed on the EC officials and its properties by the NDC tax, led by its regional organizer and inspired by the aforementioned leaders or elders of the party who should know better. Clearly, The NDC knows that it has lost the Ablekumanot parliamentary elections and has therefore resorted to violence with the sole aim of preventing the Electoral Commission from declaring the MPP's candidate. It must be emphasized that MPP lost about 60 parliamentary seats with margins below 1,000 votes, yet it conceded viciously. A classic case is Kwadwo. The case of our reign, where we lost by a controversial margin of 93 votes, we conceded viciously. To President Mahama, we call on you to take immediate steps to call your party tax to order. You cannot pretend to be unaware of all this lawlessness and violence in this country.
Ne krakra mo no ena dam kuma na echire mu se nedie wonom de adesre edeto eye openi Paul Mangana oda aposifo dom ni nada na me kire Inspector General of Police Dr. George Akufu Dampare and of his Ghana man penny say omon for mon fancy for moden sabi enya mo se sabi penny a wayin from abone egwedwam na wayin ndia to ba bi kure fi say de yakoso Ghana no empenifo ni nyina nim ntom for mon fancy mo fi say de yakoso no airtime ne empenifo anso no ebedu ba bi no ma se bedwam de dom kuma no wadamo tena simpo and the parliament business no mo do mo hokra e de kwa kwashi mu kra.
We also call on the Ghana Police Service, IGP Dampare. We call on you and the entire election security task force to rise up to this occasion and enforce law and order without hesitation. The EC officials and all the stakeholders in this electoral process must be protected. They are Ghanaians just like us. We hereby serve notice that should the president, who is the commander-in-chief, fail to take steps to protect the ordinary citizens, we, the minority caucus, shall protest through lawful means and withdraw cooperation in parliament.
Any awoti ye deputy minority whip ne den Eddie Jelly eye Ahmed and afins where shad and which him said yakoso no ya ni senti adesha mu ablekuma not abato mpesu so pin form Nancy for me na yempe ni puma sibre mu nchiremu ene de asomwe
Yanto akasebo ne so na Printing Press Owners Association for e de abetu dwa se abanye yesremu ala momomode ana mo fan hyehyɛ pa engu akwam sane ebe ya yenkane a ebegina so esanse omu kirema ya de afi etwa mu no nkane agina so yie pa yanti ye excuses bia obi adwuma etimi koye esanse na kane ano agina so nti we na yakwaku jamfidan ko no gina edema ya Printing Press Owners no any DL news atwetwe komo na okere se enya de obo besoso ye dum so bia so wo man mu esanse dum so na kasa mu kra yesi afi mu eyade aha omadwuma ye papa nti NDC aba mommodin na ha obi a wo honom no mommodin na munsi ano kwan esanse ye dum so ne de yes so ano mo na musi 24-hour economy na 24-hour economy na dum so ba na ebesi dan etimi abo adwuma e wo yes 24-hour economy nim ti mommodin na mo makane ano enyina so sane mo beto ye no pepepe we ne nsema Kwadwo Jamfi edituja.
Actually, for the past years, it has been stable. And getting to the latter part of the year, last year, we had some little problems, like it goes off like 2 hours and it will come back. So it's good. So therefore, we don't want to hear anything like the doom sort that we used to have that affected our business before. So they should sit up. For sure, Ghanaians has voted for them and they know they are capable of running their affairs. So they should not give us any excuse. Because in his manifesto, he has promised us 24 hours. And 24 hours economy needs power to run that system. So how come is he going to take off the power for us to sit at home? We need power to work so that his 24 hours will come to pass.
Eni ya wuti ye Kwadwo Jamfi danko no gina edema ya Printing Press Owners no oche se eya 24-hour economy no ehian kanea nti NDC aba mommodin na mo fan hyehyɛ pa engu akwam se na be ya nkanea no ebegina so
yentu akase bonse ne kopie mo e wasante batanum na kopie mo wasante mantem ne ye body awuramu e wabosomtwe na de hya wonmo wo piase akase ekirim se emfie bebreni ene mpanifo hya ase se wanom AC nurses eye Bangalore dia ma wonom na afinsu community center se betumi aboa na de hya mo wo piase ne nso etumi abodwadata na niama etumi akonkan ye pa ede ama wonom nanso ade hya ekirim se emfie bebreni se adwumadi ahodo ampanifo hya ase ne nyinada etumi atwa asensan a ha adwenye pam na kasama afọ de ma mebuna wonom ewo piase no ne din de Mr Bernard Kwisi Poku wakase ekirim se ha adwenye pase ne empanifo etimi AC nurses eye Bangalore na afenso community center de ama ade hye ne nyinada etumi aka sensembe o chem say ya ne senti wa bomode atwere ka tenten e de kwa koma contractor no eye project ne se ne manim yada se wo po ompoma ne nan emonoto na dwumadie no omra emeto aso wakasa kirem se ha adwen se ne adehye mo potem honom e kwa yale sabia na ye nsem privi se necessary do dwara entimi enya baabi emfa muti emfa nto e wo piase ne potem ne senti ha adwen ye pa wasaka se kirem se ene de ekopie mu wo piase ne potem a mpuntu abo no mo passe se bedwonso abo ba kokonti empinifo mo homode na mo nan ema mo to evisa de so mo piase ne so mpuntu nso wonom ese fataye pam wakasa kirem se wo ma de hia wonom potem titiriu ene contractors na watwe makoma akomienu pe oma nan mo no to na mo no homode ankoya adwumaden emfa mo ade hia wo mo piase ne potem visa project ahodo aka seseme no emu eye pam wasaka se kirem se ode ade se de atom perifo do mo ka biegom enum and afin so eye kuntina se and afin so mahina odam potemo nyina no se momoden no mon ka bi efi se project ahodo atwa sensen no je se yesi school dan efi so yesi community center na nurses eye bangalow so na nani nyina da atwa sensen na de ekoba ne sana de se potemo no mudi yam potemo moden no mo na mo to no mo wana putu dwuma so ebi enko so opiase ne potem no penia ono youth leader ede ma de sha wo mo opiase ne den ede Mr Bernard Poku eje me na ensem training Sakwade Patrick Nkomo sentiment ni nsema do so ye no emu nkiremu no enie
nurses aba baabi o mo bedakora eden ya han adan o man ne boka mi wan so bangalow nurses bangalow ye wo we akaba 10% ne ye wi over 90% kura completion ties ni ade nti ye ka kire contractor ne se enumanimu ye wo mra site me ye adwuma o man no ni youth no o man no ene na e wo contract so mo wo boardroom issue bia na o mo ne mpanimfo nko no mo nka no boardroom abra o ye adwuma no you can guarantee ni safety se obeba no abeye adwuma no if we say me ni se panini bia be pese adwuma no be hot abra cement bo okosoro ania bo okosoro bibia ye de ye project no ne bo e kosoro nti ye cash the contractor no se enani ne ya ye ni no e kase no wamra site no meye adwuma no ade apia si mabunu e ka kire no because oni wo man no ene wo contract anye sa 2 weeks time no se wa ma site a meye adwuma e mabunu na be take the mountain no up ye ni e be ko na adwuma aka wo bia no yakoye ye yenso ye ni akontabu bia say a cha nejo and adwuma na ewo no yade a ehia yen eye bangalow no community center no ene omahene ohene ahemfie no pia fe paris no and ye catch the contractor no nti ye fa akwanya yeso aka kire wiase nyina ne say contractor no ye ne hia ya catch the wakane ha wa kire yeso ya catch no say enkyiseye bia omo ye ne boardroom no eno no youth no enye no ne yasem and nya de e wo say affect development a e koso wo piase so bi wo issue bi e wo enkyiseye bia ni kwanse no affect PRC development into one site no meye na dwuma
eni a wotie kasamafo ede ma de hia wonom ewo PRC emeburu no ne den de Mr Bernard Kusipoku amaneboy yensem training Sakwade apepra ene de emane yenwe ne yegina wesi akwaje ye na boafo adweton de ye ba kase bode aka akire no ye betini nya de afiri wonom ede amawo
Makwantu ohun sam eye medadwen nanso me yensam training nti menya adagye ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonum nti ende metimi ba menya abre ne adagye ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo ana me hu se wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri se wonum ewo track records madanse die nie ma me nintrel Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia webi ebeje wo visa amawo se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, Nafe Kradie, Serbia, any Greece in so abeka ho a work permit etechere. Ma menchire wo mo echere kwan. Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Ben Wise Park Hotel, ewo Asofan New Station hono a. Phone number 0244291546. Email address nso samuel626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. Emanenye wadwendwen, frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse empo asede media
ye mamo akwa ababio na emomiento akasebo ne so ewani gedie mu na eye afia poku a edin a ojeso a eye vim lady edin sema betudwa e kire se eye ade ansantro adwuma no ene eye temamfuo ni bi Obomo Ayasumbo Pa, yes, answer or more boa Captain Smart. I'm an actually suban be Eddie Ewa Maima, and ya dear SNE, crack. Es answer adding to nice and trying to Ubejina a yen Fidian Sonoa Cassa, Eddie Tia a year gun and penny forcer, who to make a cow, yes, answer freedom of speech, Edda Mani Muntino, Ubejina Fidian so an hour can any ope, Sabi Uya Ujuma to Sassanie, Obia and Adwoa Enye. Adding na oya sa nemo mod a video bi adbetu jana o chere say e yada ye jeje Captain Smart su ye krama just a dwumadi a wodi wo man enso ani ye kra na wo hwa ye ohawa aba ye oboase na e yade ono na ehye emabunu nu kutu pase omonye saade no o hwa nso anya de eso ani na adding na boni say ekoso e wo man nim na wo sojagum as a media personality now soja sa and so any cry inti aban enhwe na ye free speech na wo man ni mu no obia enhu ne limit na mom so no e wo so obia enhu emra da honom sensem troni bia odi be ye ejuma na won ko jan fidie ne so na won didi opani bia atem enye ne o pet sese ne o man no eye wo dia inti ya ade a Captain Smart ye ne de afia pokua kire ma nya de so ni ye kra inti we ni nsem a eye afia pokua vim lady ede abetuja
yentu aka sebon to ne ntwapo ne yenkopie mu US Mountain so United States of America nandrada ena Donald Trump penifo wa maden ede to edisi akonwa so se ne US mampeni a otoso je se ne aduanan enson je se okobo adwumadin ye pam na ye se ne omene to edisi akonwa so pe na Donald Trump ekasa na wotire mu se nyakopon ya adomene ye pega ne to edisi akonwa se ono metena oman se US so obi oni de atadwufo wa de hya mo US ne matede na frisa ne mabekọ nkan ye pam wakasa kire mi se enfie kakrentemu ni enkuaso mpa US mana komu no ya pa nanso nyakopon adom otwitwaje adehya mo US efrise wabai ne obekọ nkan ye pa ni senti adehya mo US Montreal mo mohire mo tutubi mo manenje efrise we de nkunum de kese na aba efrise adwuma pa opo ya mre bi atwamu no oba betra so ma adehya mo US no mo nyada mo ho atumato mo ye pam na mra da endra da Chief Justice ebon homaden na also wo mo in yenkoti ane ahodo be twagu mra endra wo mo pagya US mampeni Donald Trump edne to edise akonwa so US edne Montreal so yenkoti ane ahodo a twagu ye no ebi
David Vance, do solemnly swear
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States.
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States
against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
Against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
That I will bear true faith.
That I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same.
And allegiance to the same.
That I take this obligation freely.
That I take this obligation freely.
Without any mental reservation.
Without any mental reservation.
Or purpose of evasion.
Or purpose of evasion.
And that I will well and faithfully discharge.
And that I will well and faithfully discharge.
The duties of the office.
The duties of the office.
On which I am about to enter.
On which I am about to enter.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. Vice President.
Administer the presidential oath of office.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear.
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute.
That I will faithfully execute
the office of President of the United States.
The office of President of the United States.
And will, to the best of my ability.
And will, to the best of my ability.
Preserve, protect, and defend.
Preserve, protect, and defend.
The Constitution of the United States.
The Constitution of the United States.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
Donald Trump US mampeni ena ono ene toso chesene aduanan enson a okobo adwuma ye pa na okase na okire mi se e ma mo bo nto mponi pa bi fa kuntuna ase nkwakwatene se te e de afro no ma ne koye nsempi na so twidi mponyankopɔ de no afofie firi se US ma no obetimi abo o ma na konka ne ye pa ne senti na batu we no otumi edi nkurumu omra abo maden e de to se akonwa so wie ye no simi aduasa o de nsem se so US Mountain.
Thank you very, very much. Vice President Vance, Speaker Johnson, Senator Thune, Chief Justice Roberts, Justices of the United States Supreme Court, President Clinton, the golden age of America begins right now.
from this day forward, our country will flourish and be respected again all over the world. We will be the envy of every nation, and we will not allow ourselves to be taken advantage of any longer. During every single day of the Trump administration, I will very simply put America first.
Any awoti ye US man penny needing Eddie Donald Trump and which is what by dear US for front abandon adijam United States of America dear Mohammed Tomopa a moon and a day assume we are near way so I can Ghana this year be adventure Nakasi boni ye munu komu say pon piaga no tell me say bibia dia dance say or say it is a sign it's a sin against God to leave MPP to join NDC yate why so be jai MPP akodi NDC chi na ye bone me da say Baba Mahama oboase no tell me say edin ye pa people have died you or say na nipa be betumi wuwu enam Captain Smart nsimi okeka ye edifa sa adesha mo oboase enkoto mfanhye eyangugo da sante so ne ka ho be na nipa wuonti ensemtrefo ye hwe ya no ye kasa ye pa senior ye so ye da se ye pa Richard ahwe no tell me say good afternoon to you Pentecost elder takrade Kwadwo krom tobe wo de she konkrom Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy na vindi Adwoa Agyei Sikapa se kasebo no emo the party se bia no manam no hwe live ready free great 3 station on DJ Ghanaman and which se kasebo no mo the pa DLFM and senior yan so ye da se wensi eye makafui eye gazo no chirem se kasebo no emo the pa no hwe live ready free da command eye secret station no chirem say hey what's the news you senior yan so ye da se and which say NDC youth no mamode anya niam ahodo mo se no maga no visa de yakoso no hadwene Ghana man no enya NDC for nkuto ena ye wo modia we ya da se kasebo ne gina wosi ebu ne komi se pon kasebo mu semfo eye maze mebe entwe ne se mum edi ema ye nkuta de ekopie mo Facebook so makasebo yi wonya bi ehwe na we de mesra wada ma mentwa ho mentene ten enfama visa mantene tenya ma so betima ye se ye pa we every yeni yankase ye DJ ba ko pe ne nchen DJ Afiba na wo kirem sem sewa odro we ya adwuma University of Ghana wo ye wo eye information studies department ehonum na wo sewa odro we ya adwuma University of Ghana information studies ehonum na wo adwuma pa o kirem se we de na wo identity ampo Yankopon pagya wo no nya okese pa no tetra akobam e wo adwuma de akese wo bo e wo University of Ghana information studies department no Yankopon koso wan tetra wadwemu ompagya wo no nya okese fra dum nko atom nti we de ene ye wo de Yankopon pagya wo no tetra akobam no nya okese pa we ya woda kese a DJ Afiba ede ema eyesewa odro we ya adwuma University of Ghana Information Studies Department Yankopon pagya wo ne nuaba sewa odro no onye okese pa no pagya mfi atomu enko atomu yesori soyin na nadwa sekre betena se one ne mpamfo na de eye de awadwuma de ni so etumi ato so eti amanyo no menu abesoma wie ne di ameje so eye Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
Yemu nyina mo Anitia, Adeshe.
Give us P capsules.
Give it to me, baby.